In today's video, I will walk you through how to change server in MetaTrader 5. Begin with MetaTrader 5 open on your computer. Once you're on the main platform window, look toward the top left corner of the screen where you'll find the main menu bar. Click on File. A drop-down menu will appear with several account and connection options. From this menu, select Open an Account. Although the name suggests you're creating a new account, this is also where you can change the server your MetaTrader 5 platform connects to. Even if you already have an account, this is the correct option to use. After selecting Open an Account, a new window will appear. Depending on your platform, you'll either see a list of available trading servers or a search box where you can enter the name of your broker or server. If you already know the server you want to connect to, type its name into the search field. Wait a few moments while MetaTrader 5 searches for matching servers. Once the results appear, look through the list and find the correct server. Click on it once to highlight your selection. After selecting the server, continue by following the prompts shown on the screen. Depending on what you're trying to do, MetaTrader 5 may give you the option to connect to an existing trading account or continue with creating a new demo or live account that uses the selected server. If you're connecting an existing trading account, you'll be asked to enter your login details. Carefully enter your login and password in the appropriate fields, then continue with the remaining prompts. After you've entered the required information, MetaTrader 5 will attempt to connect to the selected server. Once the connection is successful, the platform will confirm that you're connected. You can also check the connection status in the bottom right corner of the MetaTrader 5 window. When the connection is active, your market quotes and charts should begin updating from the new server. If you ever need to switch to another server again, simply repeat the same process. Go to the File menu, choose Open an Account, search for the server if necessary, select the correct one from the list, follow the on-screen prompts, enter your account details if requested, and complete the connection. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.